Did you know that over 30 million people suffer from chronic pancreatic conditions, often exacerbated by toxins and poor dietary choices? This vital organ, crucial in regulating your blood sugar and digestive enzymes, needs your immediate attention. Start cleansing your pancreas today. Discover our top strategies to detox effectively and safeguard your health. Click here to learn how you can rejuvenate your pancreas and enhance your well-being. Don't delay. The time to prioritize your health is now. Every moment counts when it comes to your well-being. The pancreas is a vital organ with both digestive and hormonal functions that play a crucial role in your body's overall health. Digestive functions. The pancreas produces digestive enzymes which are secreted into the small intestine. These enzymes help in breaking down fats, proteins, and carbohydrates, making it possible for the body to absorb nutrients effectively. Key enzymes include amylase for carbohydrates, lipase for fats, and protease for proteins. Hormonal functions. The pancreas also has an endocrine role through the islets of Langerhans, which produce important hormones such as insulin and glucagon. These hormones are critical for blood sugar regulation. Insulin. This hormone helps cells absorb glucose, sugar, from the bloodstream to use as energy or store as fat, thus lowering blood sugar levels. Glucagon. In contrast to insulin, glucagon works to increase blood sugar levels by signaling the liver to release stored glucose. Overall, the pancreas ensures that your body's metabolism works smoothly by regulating blood sugar levels and aiding in digestion. This dual role makes it essential for maintaining energy levels, nutrient absorption, and overall health. The pancreas can become impaired due to various factors, often related to lifestyle choices and other health conditions. Here's a brief overview of how an unhealthy diet and other factors can impact pancreatic function. Unhealthy diet. Consuming high amounts of fats and processed sugars can lead to the accumulation of fat in the pancreas, which impairs its ability to function properly. This can also lead to obesity, which increases the risk of developing pancreatic diseases. Alcohol consumption. Excessive alcohol intake is a major cause of chronic pancreatitis, a condition where the pancreas becomes inflamed and does not function effectively. This inflammation can become permanent, affecting the organ's ability to produce enzymes and hormones like insulin. Smoking. Smoking is another significant risk factor for pancreatic diseases, including pancreatitis and pancreatic cancer. The toxins in cigarette smoke can induce inflammation and cellular changes in the pancreas. Genetic factors. Some people are genetically predisposed to pancreatic disorders, including chronic pancreatitis and pancreatic cancer. Autoimmune diseases. In some cases, the body's immune system mistakenly attacks the pancreatic cells, leading to autoimmune pancreatitis. Gallstones. These can block the bile duct that runs through the pancreas, leading to pancreatitis. Overall, maintaining a healthy diet, avoiding excessive alcohol and smoking, and managing underlying health conditions are crucial for keeping the pancreas functioning properly. Regular checkups can also help in detecting any issues early, preventing more severe complications. To support and rejuvenate your pancreas, incorporating specific foods into your diet can be incredibly beneficial. Let's explore the key ingredients that can help detox this vital organ. Here are 10 foods that are particularly beneficial for supporting and cleansing your pancreas. Leafy greens. Spinach, kale, and other leafy greens are high in vitamins and minerals that support pancreatic health. Garlic. Known for its anti-inflammatory properties, garlic helps reduce stress on the pancreas and enhances its ability to produce insulin. Blueberries and cherries. These fruits are rich in antioxidants and have anti-inflammatory properties, which can protect the pancreas from damage. Broccoli and other cruciferous vegetables. Vegetables like broccoli, cauliflower, and Brussels sprouts contain powerful compounds that may help in detoxifying and protecting the pancreas. Turmeric. This spice contains curcumin, a compound that has been shown to alleviate inflammation in the pancreas and enhance its function. Grapes, especially red ones, are loaded with resveratrol, an antioxidant that can reduce inflammation and protect pancreatic cells. Sweet potatoes. Rich in antioxidants and complex carbohydrates, sweet potatoes help maintain steady blood sugar levels, reducing the burden on the pancreas. Yogurt. The probiotics in yogurt can aid digestion and maintain the health of the gut microbiome, indirectly supporting pancreatic health. Oily fish, salmon, mackerel, and sardines are high in omega-3 fatty acids, which can reduce inflammation and support overall pancreatic health. Tofu and other soy products. Soy products are high in protein and low in fat, making them ideal for maintaining the health of the pancreas by reducing fat accumulation around the organ. Including these foods in your diet can help maintain the health of your pancreas and support its detoxification processes. We hope this guide helps you take proactive steps towards supporting your pancreatic health. Remember, incorporating these nutrient-rich foods into your diet is not just about detoxing. It's about embracing a lifestyle that prioritizes your well-being. Start small, maybe by adding a handful of berries to your breakfast or swapping in some sweet potatoes for dinner. Your pancreas and your whole body will thank you for it. Here's to your health and a happier, healthier you.